Thalam is a traditional Ayurvedic treatment. It comes from the Sanskrit word thalam and means to apply medicine to the head. This medicine consists of leaves and plants, powdered herbs, and medicinal oils. The most important ingredients are the leaves and flowers of the Brahmi and the Kachu plant, the Karpura tree, and the Chandana or sandalwood tree. The Brahmi plant is found in the wetland areas. Kachu is a herb native to South and Southeast Asia. It is used for inflammation and pain. Karpura is another Sanskrit word. It refers to the wood of the camphor tree. It denotes purity and is cooling and refreshing. The sandalwood tree has been a part of Ayurveda for centuries. It cleanses and soothes the body and the mind. The leaves and powders of all these plants are mixed together and pounded into paste. The paste is put inside a cloth or piece of cotton. The cloth is placed over the area of the head. It is kept in place with a banana leaf and tightly bound. To calm the imbalances, an oil is made from different properties to nourish the nerves and reduce the burning. The oils are then slowly poured over the head. This is a therapy for the head and the mind. It relaxes the mind, eases stress, and gives relief for headaches. Consciousness, our thoughts, our feelings, and our senses are linked to the brain. Soothing the brain, it relieves tension, alleviates anger and irritation, it lifts depression, and helps you sleep. Healing in Sri Lanka is drawn from the culture and the environment all around us. It is an ancient science based on inherited knowledge and a way of life.